In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a simple customer support site in Salesforce. This will be a quick and easy process, taking just around 5 minutes. Whether you're new to Salesforce or simply looking to enhance your customer service capabilities, this guide will walk you through each step clearly and efficiently. Before we start, make sure you're logged into your Salesforce account and ready to dive in. Let's begin by navigating to the Setup area in Salesforce. This is your control center, where you can customize and configure almost anything within your Salesforce environment. Once there, you'll want to look for the option labeled All Sites. This is where Salesforce keeps all your web properties organized, making it easy to manage existing sites or create new ones. After clicking into All Sites, you'll notice a prominent button labeled New. Go ahead and click this. This will kickstart the process of creating your new customer support site. Salesforce offers a variety of templates to streamline the process, and for this particular project, we're going to select the customer service template. This template is tailored specifically for customer support, designed with features that enhance client interaction and support workflows. Next up, you'll want to give your site a name. Choose something that reflects your brand or the purpose of the site. This name will be an essential identifier in Salesforce, so make it clear and concise. Alongside naming your site, you'll need to assign a URL. Make sure the URL is easy to remember and relevant to the site's purpose. A good practice is to keep it in line with your existing company URLs. Once you've filled in these details, click on Create. This will initiate the site setup process and generate your new support site. After a brief moment, your new customer support site will be created. But we're not done yet. To make your site truly yours, we'll move on to branding it. Configuring the site, branding is where you can infuse your company's identity into the site. Take some time to upload your company logo, choose your color themes, and adjust the layouts according to your brand guidelines. This step not only personalizes your site, but also creates a consistent user experience for your customers, aligning with your brand's image. And there you have it. You've successfully built a simple customer support site in Salesforce. From here, you can dive deeper into customization options or start populating the site with essential content and resources for your customers. Thank you for following along with this guide. If you found this helpful, make sure to check out our other tutorials for more Salesforce tips and tricks to optimize your workflow and enhance your customer engagement.